Hi everyone, I'm Alice and welcome to Tanio TV. Today we are going to make natural paints. So to make natural paints using natural ingredients from our garden or our fridge, we can use a number of fruits, leaves, vegetation, but today I've used mint from the garden, I've used blackberries I've picked from the garden, and I've used some blueberries that were going off in my fridge. So the items we need is pestle and mortar, or if you haven't got pestle and mortar in your kitchen, that's fine. You can use a bowl and a stick. You need something quite heavy to mix up the ingredients. Now a good tip is to add honey, and this will thicken up your ingredients. Also add a little bit of water. The idea is to mix as much as you can until it's all mushy, lovely and mushy, and turned more into a liquid than the actual fruits. To make the paintbrushes, really simple, you just need a stick. I do use an elastic band to stick in things like pine needles, any leaves you might find interesting could use as a paintbrush, anything that's quite sturdy really. Then you use the elastic band to just poke them in, and what I do is I finish it off with a piece of string to make it nice and sturdy and ready for your paints. But you can also use moss, you can use paintbrushes, you could use handprints, anything you want really. What I've done is I've put an old sheet, an old bedding sheet, up in the garden as canvas, so it's nice and big. And of course you don't need an old sheet, you can use paper or any cut up material to print on.